Hi everyone, I'm Katrin and this is Katrin's Catch of the Day. If you're new here, I produce motherhood videos, and if you're also into that, let's connect. Please hit that subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram at Katrin's Catch of the Day. So after landing in Bahrain, the biggest question is where to live in Bahrain. Moving from any country is a huge move. There are too many things to consider where to live and how to go about it, but I can at least give you a head start. You can choose between furnished or unfurnished properties. Furnished properties usually are inclusive, meaning your landlord will pay the electricity and water bills depending on what you have agreed on the cap limit, as well as the municipality rental tax, TV channels, and internet. So here's the most popular areas for renting apartments. First, Saar. Saar is jam-packed with compounds. It is popular with families. The villas for rent in Saar are spacious. You will also find few schools in the area as well as green lush landscaping. Second is Seef. Seef is Manama's commercial district. Here you'll find the biggest shopping malls, Bahrain City Center Mall and Seef Mall. The area is one of the most expensive in the country and consists of tower blocks and skyscrapers. If you want to live close to work, then Seef is the area you would want to live. Juffair and Adliya. Juffair is close to the US Navy base, that's why mostly Americans live here, while Adliya has more people from the United Kingdom. Both Juffair and Adliya has huge number of cafes, shop galleries, and restaurants. Makes it perfect for those who like an active lifestyle. And finally, Amwaj Islands. Luxury living meets family friendly. Life in Amwaj is perfect for those with children, as the kids will have the chance to run around and play in the numerous playgrounds and children's areas. Villas for rent in Amwaj are spacious and modern, so are the apartments, which attracts families to call Amwaj home. So this is our new home. We are going to furnish this apartment, and for now, let me give you a quick tour. This is at Tala Island in Amwaj. So this is gonna be my future kitchen, or our future kitchen. That's going to be the balcony where we will have our barbecues together. So this is gonna be the living room and the dining room, so all the guests are welcome. So that's the laundry room. And this is the guest toilet, which I have taken so much of the video, I don't know why. So apparently this is the master's bedroom. Why? Because it's attached with the bathroom. But I actually find this bedroom more like the master's, so we're converting this to a master's bedroom and a large balcony, and that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!